Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair dropped 0.7% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair exploded 1% in the last session. The CCI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair dove 2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The tech-heavy Nasdaq led gains on Wall Street as a dip in Treasury yields supported mega-cap stocks, though investors remained cautious ahead of inflation data and the Federal Reserve's policy meeting next week. Roughly every 4 years, the reward for successfully mining a Bitcoin block is cut in half. This event, known as the halving, reduces inflationary pressure on Bitcoin. Currently, rewards are 6.25 BTC per block, and in April 2024, they will be reduced to 3.125 BTC per block. The dollar fell slightly from near 3-month highs, a day after a surprise rate hike from the Bank of Canada suggested the Federal Reserve may also have more work to do to combat inflation.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US USDA WASDE report will be released at 1600 hours GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 1700 hours GMT. Finland's industrial output at 0500 hours GMT. The Australian industrial production will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 2030 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.